Welcome to our comparison of the XFX Speedster SWFT319 and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4070 Super. In this video, we will dive deep into the specifications and performance of these two powerful graphics cards. Whether you're a gamer looking for the best performance or someone who wants to know which card offers the best value, we've got you covered. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the XFX Speedster SWFT319 Radeon RX 6800 offers solid performance for 1440p gaming, thanks to its 16 GB of GDDR6 memory and AMD's RDNA2 architecture. However, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4070 Super takes the lead with its 12 GB GDDR6X memory and NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture, providing exceptional performance at both 1440p and 4K resolutions, especially in ray-traced games. If you are looking for the best performance, the RTX 4070 Super is the way to go. In terms of pricing, the XFX Speedster SWFT319 is priced at $459, making it a more affordable option for gamers on a budget. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4070 Super comes in at $599, which reflects its higher performance capabilities. If you're looking for value, the XFX card provides a great price-to-performance ratio, while the RTX 4070 Super justifies its price with superior features and performance. Both graphics cards feature robust cooling solutions. The XFX Speedster SWFT319 is equipped with a triple-fan cooling system that effectively manages heat during intense gaming sessions. Meanwhile, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4070 Super also utilizes a triple-fan design, ensuring efficient cooling and optimal performance. Both cards are designed to keep temperatures low, but the efficiency of the GIGABYTE's cooling system may give it a slight edge during prolonged use. In conclusion, both the XFX Speedster SWFT319 and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4070 Super are excellent graphics cards, each with its strengths. The XFX card is a fantastic choice for those looking for great performance at a lower price, while the GIGABYTE card excels in high-end gaming scenarios. Be sure to consider your gaming needs and budget before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.